Hey guys, it's Isaac here. A big reason why people use Apple has increasingly been because of how easy to use the software is and how quickly it is to understand. Today we'll be going into some Mac keyboard shortcuts that I think will make your initial tasks with the Mac just a little bit easier. So without further ado, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. To open the Mac Spotlight tool, press Command and Spacebar. Make sure to get familiar with this shortcut because it makes finding files, music apps, even internet searches a lot easier. Just type the name of the file or app in the shortcut and it will pop up. Spotlight can also search through iMessages, bookmarks, and everything you ever did in your life. That's just a joke. But yes, it's an efficient tool and definitely an IIT thumbs up. Next up, we have Command-Shift-3, which can be used to screenshot the entire visible screen on the desktop. So that's everything that is visible on your screen screenshotted. Command-Shift-4 screenshotters a specific area of the screen with the aid of a visible rectangle cropping tool. This is great for screenshotting specific areas without actually having to screenshot an entire page. So I probably should have started with this one, but hey, we are learning. So Command-Shift-5 allows you to see all available screenshotting options. You can also use this tool to record the entire window, a portion of the window, and choose where to save it. Now this one's for those of us guilty of looking at things we probably shouldn't. Tap Command-H and the open window will vanish. Click on the app icon to continue using the app. You can also do this by pressing Command and Option, then clicking on any visible space on your screen. This is also a great tool for decluttering your screen. Holding down Command, then pressing Tab opens up the App Switcher in all its glory, revealing all active apps. You can navigate across the screen by using the arrows on your keyboard. You know when you're feeling kind of lazy and you can't be bothered to scroll up a page? Well, you can press Command L from basically any point in a page just to initiate a search. Safari also has some cool shortcuts such as Command T to open a new tab, whereas Command Z reopens a tab you recently closed or closed on accident. Now this is a very underrated tool, I think, because a lot of the time you're clicking out of different tabs and you accidentally close one and you're just like, oh, I need to get that tab back. Just Command Z it. Simple. As certain as death and taxes, you will definitely come across an app that just won't close. Press Command Option Escape and Command Option Q to force close an app. Command Option Escape allows you to close down multiple apps at one time, whereas Command Option Q closes down that app dead. If you're leaving your laptop unattended briefly or just want to lock it up, then press Command Control Q. This will instantly lock your laptop, no problems, no issues. If you'd like to preview a file, simply press space. This works for images, PDFs, and Office applications. 3 fingers swipe goes in between different windows as well, either right or left. You know, Command C is copy and Command V is paste. Command plus increases text, whilst Command minus reduces text size. If there are any shortcuts you've created or that you like, why not mention it in the comments below? Because you can never have too many shortcuts. I hope this video was helpful, and remember, IIT, everyday tech for everyday people.